If you have any reservations about cooking with frozen vegetables,
everything freezes.
It's time to take that fear and let it go.
Let it go, let it go.
Already prepped frozen veggies can save you a lot of time in the kitchen. And, if stored properly, they can stay in your freezer until you're ready to use them. Here are 10 frozen vegetable recipes that you can lean on for quick and easy meals any day of the week.
Eat your vegetables.
Let's start with this belly-warming chicken Alfredo soup. Frozen peas, rotisserie chicken, and jarred Alfredo sauce help minimize your prep time for this recipe, so you can enjoy spoonfuls of creamy, pasta and chicken-loaded soup in no time. These spring vegetable bread pudding muffins are fit for Popeye himself, if Popeye ever needed a comfort food fix. Spinach and frozen sweet peas get a flavor-packed punch from savory pancetta and fresh herbs. If you feel like something's been missing from your usual breakfast spread, it's probably these muffins. Here's a recipe for when you're the only person who's hungry, and you're hungry now.
I'm starving.
Single serving shrimp fried rice only takes 10 minutes to make, and the ingredients are so simple. If you have a bag of frozen peas and carrots in the freezer, you're practically halfway there. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more single-serving content like this recipe. Nothing can warm the soul like Mom's home cooking. That's why we're sharing Mom's creamy chicken and broccoli casserole recipe. This dish is the food equivalent to a hug. And it's made easy with the help of frozen broccoli florets. Moms and kids can agree. A recipe that tastes this good and can be on the table in less than an hour is a winner. Throw an elegant pasta dinner together in minutes with already cooked shrimp, broccoli, and fresh lemon.
Everybody dig in.
Don't mind if I do, Lillian.
When you serve this at your next party, guests will probably applaud your complex, sophisticated dish. But we all know how easy and simple it was to make. Don't worry, it's our little secret. This recipe takes lasagna to the next level by incorporating flavors from a traditional Greek salad.
How do you say thank you in Greek?
Feta cheese, peppers, and olives meet layers of tender pasta and tomato sauce. And frozen spinach brings a touch of convenience to the recipe. Don't be intimidated by the long list of ingredients. The flavor combo is worth all of the extra details. There are endless ways to dress a potato.
Hey.
But you really can't beat these cheesy spinach and bacon stuffed potatoes. With the help of frozen spinach and already baked potatoes, this recipe comes together in less than 20 minutes. And it's guaranteed to be the envied side dish of your next social gathering. Frozen peas and carrots are back at it again for sheet pan fried rice.
We're back! Classic!
Spread a layer of microwavable rice on the pan and broil until lightly browned. Add the remaining ingredients and return the pan to the oven until the veggies are tender and the eggs are set. It's that easy. This Copycat broccoli cheddar soup tastes just like the kind that Panera fans can't get enough of. Chicken broth, heavy cream, and turmeric come together for a velvety base. Add your fresh or frozen broccoli florets and carrots, and don't skimp on the cheddar cheese. Comment below, Panera fans, and let us know how this Copycat soup measures up to the real deal.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Asparagus, grape tomatoes, and frozen English peas are the veggie stars of this pasta Primavera recipe. Prosciutto and Parmesan cheese give the vegetable-laden fettuccine a savory twist, while fresh basil brightens up the dish with a springtime vibrance. If you started this video with some doubt, we hope our recipes have enlightened you to the appetizing practicality of cooking with frozen vegetables. Not only can they save you some time in a dinner rush, they can also add some nutritional variety to your beloved comfort food dishes. Let us know which recipes are your favorites in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.